Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to create your own self-hosted and fully automated PLR sites packed with 25,000 plus red-hot PLR products, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to profit from the hottest and widely untapped world of selling info-packed PLR products to hungry audiences, without creating a single website yourself, without paying huge every month for hosting and domain, without any coding or designing skills, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, you're in for a great surprise today, presenting PLR Power, a brand new one-click PLR site creator that comes with 25,000 plus ready-to-sell PLR products without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, log in. Step 2, publish site. Step 3, sell and profit. And that's it. You're all set to say goodbye to outdated make money online techniques and create a passive income source for months and years to come. PLR Power comes loaded with tons of benefits like create stunning, fully automated PLR websites with 25,000 ready-to-sell products with your own name and brand to sell them anywhere. Create stunning PLR websites without any prior coding or design skills. Profit instantly by selling 25,000 plus PLR products under your brand name to hungry audience. Offer these PLR products as free, lead grab, or premium membership and collect payments. Never worry for hosting as you get limitless hosting at no extra cost. Start your own agency and provide ready-to-use products to widely scattered audience. Add your payment links to convert visitors into lifetime paid members. Unlimited commercial license included to provide red-hot services to hungry clients and bank in big. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Use PLR Power to profit instantly by creating stunning PLR websites like In Digital Works, Buy Quality PLR, PLR Minds, ID PLR, Super Resell, PLR Madness, etc. for yourself and your clients with no prior skills ever. Take my word. If you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then PLR Power is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's fair warning. PLR Power will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get PLR Power for the lowest price. Good luck. We'll see you inside.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is an amazing product from Rick and Green called PLR Power, and this one is going live today, the 6th of June 2023 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And as you can see, it's a brand new self-updating PLR platform creator that comes with 25,000 plus ready-to-sell PLR products, and we sell them as if it's your own. Now, I have an amazing bonus for you before we go to the demo video of this product in action, and I will show you now also the pricing. The front end goes for $17, and that gives you access to the very platform whose video you are going to watch in action. And you have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited, goes for $37, which is advisable to get. You have OTO number 2, the advanced, goes for $37. OTO number 3, the gold, goes for $37. OTO number 4, the done for you, goes for $47. PLR Power Agency, which is OTO number 5, goes for $67, and the white label goes for $97, and the reseller goes for $97. Okay, So you see exactly what you have here. Now here are the amazing bonuses that I have for you before I show you the demo video in action. The first one is Latitude, which is a unique beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits on NFTs online with blockchain digital assets exchange. Okay, you have also the number 2 bonus, TweetX, which is how to get traffic from Twitter using Chrome extension to any of your choice or link of your choice, including affiliate links or blogs. And you have also number 3, which is Insolvency, a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. We also have the bonus number 4, the Lazy Traffic Sniper. You have the number 5 as the JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a software and a box system that is going to help you make 4 figures daily by automating a business model that is going to help you not only get leads and also get convertible leads. Okay, now you have also the number 6, the Lockdown Formula, which is a training course on how to start from scratch and start your business digital marketing online. Okay, you have also number 7, which is the Commission Toolbox with over 1,000 links of different capabilities. So you can't miss out on this. At any time you decide, the first link below in my description area will take you to the sales page, which is exactly this, where you pick up a copy using any of the links that are scattered all over there, which I'm going to show you if you stick with me. This one, if you click that, it will give you access to this product on my WordPress account. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This person gives you access to PLR Power, and this one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you. And in any case that you are willing to buy this product using my link, I will send you another package of bonuses by email. But this one exactly will be waiting for you on my WordPress account. And with that said, I will not go ahead to complete this without telling you and reminding you, of course, to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be back to you in my next review. For now, before I call it quits on this one, I would like to show you exactly what you have as the demo video for this one, and we'll go from there. I will see you in my next review. Thanks for now.